Welcome back to the next session, and here we are going to see how a vocabulary can be developed in a classroom. And this vocabulary plays a fundamental role in the reading process and is critical when you are doing your reading comprehension practices. Children or the students, they try to learn the meaning of most of the words directly or indirectly. Directly in the sense looking into the dictionary, identifying the meaning of those words and learning it. Indirectly is that they work through everyday experiences with oral and written language. So day-to-day life will teach them lot of words by using it in their day-to-day communication processes, and it can also be learned through carefully designed instructions. So we can help students by framing or writing their own ideas, like diary writing practice, or explaining an essay, or writing out a story of their day-to-day life, everything. This will help them to identify new words and then explain it in a detailed manner. And this technical vocabulary can also be developed, as it is the study of word meanings, which helps us to identify the technological aspect of that particular word and then use it accordingly, appropriately to the necessity. So there are various even playway methods to develop the vocabulary in classroom, like playing word games using dictionary, using flashcards, and then practice through conversation. We can make some kind of dialogue practices to have the knowledge of usage of technical vocabulary in the classrooms too. And there are different types of vocabulary, or you can call it as different types of words, which is segregated into three forms, that is general vocabulary, technical vocabulary, and polysemous words. So general vocabulary is otherwise called as the high frequency vocabulary, where you can use all kinds of frequent words in texts and everyday language. It is likely to comprise the majority of the words and phrases learners encounter on a general English course at school. So this is called as general vocabulary. Few words for general vocabulary is the words which we use in our day-to-day life, that is food, friend, world, eat, love, sleep, and then good, bad, small. So the first three would be nouns, the second three will be verbs, and third three will be the adjectives. That is food, friend, world, are all nouns, and then eat, love, sleep are all verbs, and then good, bad, and important are all adjectives. So there are different forms of vocabulary. There is taking up various grammatical structures. So this part is called as general vocabulary. So the next thing we are going to see is the technical vocabulary. Technical vocabulary is nothing but the words that is subject bounded, which is referring to the use of words in a specific form. Subject for communicating specific knowledge. It includes both high frequency and academic words that are used with a specialized meaning in a specific subject as well. So there are various methods to learn this technical vocabulary, but the main thing is you need for experts in the field, in that particular field, to communicate with clarity, precision, relevance, and brevity. So this examples for technical vocabulary, we have already seen few examples. I'll give you a few important examples. That is, for example, if you are doing mathematics, earlier we have seen computer science based technical words, and now we could see few mathematical based words. That is, we always use these kind of words: denominator, numerator, square root, quotient, then few words like polynomial function, divisor, mutual, all these words, roots. So all these are the words which are used like technical words, that is along with the usage of mathematics. So the third one which we are going to see is polysemous words. Polysemous words are nothing but the word that has different meanings that derive from a common origin. For example, a homograph is a word. We could have heard of the word homograph, which is having different meanings with unrelated origins. So here I could give you some examples for this polysemous words. For example, the verb to get means procure. So we use these kind of polysemous words. So I'll get the drinks. For example, these words will speak about become, and understand. The word says that I get it. So these words will give you a different formation of words to make a different understanding. So these words, even though it has some kind of new formations, it has multiple related meanings. Even though it gives a single word, it gives different multiple related meanings. So here this vocabulary plays a vital role in the development of language and communication for each and every individual. We'll see further details in the next video. Thank you.